going on, guys? Got the door panels and stuff taken off, and gotta go get some pieces, missing pieces from the junkyard. Like the handle right there, I can't let my seat, the back part up, and then if you look up here, like I'm missing like dash pieces. They got cracked, I guess, when the previous owner took the dash out to put the heater coil in. That's the dash cracked up because it was so dry rotted. And then I got to clean it out. Well, I threw all, as you can see, all that stuff that was in here, I threw all that stuff out. But it's like nasty and all this trash and stuff in here. I got to go clean this out. And then as you see that, missing, I'm going to have to put some speakers in there. And then find that piece that go in there and glue that in, get that ashtray piece, glue that in. And see how like it's nasty, I gotta go clean all this stuff out. And you know, and then I gotta finish doing the radio and stuff, but I'm gonna go get those pieces from the junkyard. And then, yeah. And I probably end up painting those pieces that's blue. For the door speaker covers that go back in there is probably like black, but I'm gonna go get all those parts and put that back together and try to get this thing taken care of. Because you know, if you see my previous videos, my main concern was to get it running first, to get it running right. Because I don't want to clean all this stuff out and then I couldn't get it running, it cost too much money. Then I would have just sold it to the next person or junked it, you know, and let them deal with the problem. But I got it running, and now it's time for me to clean it out. So, yeah, in this video, I was just letting you guys know what I'm doing so far in it. I got to clean it up, go get the pieces from the junkyard, paint those, put the door panels back on because they were just hangers. I just took them off, you know, then see what's up with the speaker wire because they had sounds and stuff in here and all that. I got to clean that up, the wiring up, run those 4 speakers to the radio. And so I can get some sound, then we'll go from there. But all right, guys, let me get back to what I was doing. I'm gonna cut this video short. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos. And I'll see you guys on the next videos. I'm out.